A conversation I never ever want to have with my oldest boy again. Why his father always at work and at home. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sarai. I'm normal stay-at-home mommy who was a stressed out, overwhelmed stay-at-home mommy. And I went from stressed out, overwhelmed to start earning online. So not too long ago, I was depending on one income stream, stressing that one income stream, trying to figure out every month which bill to skip. Every month is just a new level of stress. And before I discovered this program, I was at a point to give up my stay-at-home mommy lifestyle in order to help my overworked husband financially. And my oldest boy asked me once, but why is his dad always at work? And what am I supposed to tell that boy? What am I supposed as a mommy, stay at home mommy? What am I supposed to tell that boy? We need the money. We struggle. I don't know. I don't. That is one of the conversations I don't want to have ever again with him. And I discovered something, a 2 hour workday where I don't need to give up my stay at home mommy lifestyle, where I don't need to sacrifice any time, where I don't have any monthly fees because it's a one time investment. I'm earning 100% profit. I'm learning the skills myself. It's not like I'm investing my money or gave my money to someone and wait till there is money for me. No, I'm learning the skills myself. It's a 2 hour workday. If you are at stress out, stay at home on the other side, and you want to know more about a system that took me from stress out, overwhelmed to start earning online, put a word me in my comments. Or you can just go to my bio and click the link there.